We want to talk about basic text formatting and editing. Basic text formatting and editing. Now, if you are given a raw document, maybe you're a secretary and you are given a raw document and you are asked to format this document, what do you do? What do you do when you are asked to format a document? Now, there are several things you can do. Number one is you can change the font type. The first thing is for you to change the font type. The second thing is that you can change the font size. The next is that you can change the color. All right. Another thing you can do when you are talking about formatting is apply bold, italics, underline, and strike through. Another thing you can do is to adjust alignments, whether you want to make it left aligned, center aligned, right, or justified. Another thing you can do is to use bulleted or bullet points or numbered list. All right, bullet points or number list. Are you ready for another exercise? I told you this class is going to be very practical. So if you are just looking at me and you are not, you are not practicing. Shall I say practicing? Yeah, practicing. Then go ahead and practice. Right? Go ahead and practice. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like. All right. So format a sentence with different font styles and create a bulleted list. So let's quickly do that. It said type the following sentence in the Microsoft Word. All right. Microsoft Word is a powerful tool for creating professional documents. So I want to type that now. So I have typed this already. I'm not going to, I'm not going to change anything here. I'll just click on enter on your keyboard to move to the next line. So it says we should type Microsoft Word is a powerful tool for creating professional documents. All right, now it is worthy to mention here that I am using Microsoft Word here. However, there are different word processing applications that you can use to do exactly the same thing. In fact, their functions are the same. Now, let me see some of their functions, right? You can basically, anything you can do on Microsoft Word, you can do on many other word processing applications. So let me go back to my instruction here. It says apply different font style to the sentence. So for example, it said I should make Microsoft Word bold, italize a powerful tool, underline for creating professional documents, and change the font color of professional to blue. Okay, so let's quickly do that. So I'm going to select Microsoft Word. Now the way to select is you bring your cursor. Your cursor is this blinking guy. I call it blinking guy. And you left click. You take this your cursor, you take this your mouse, and drag it, right click and drag to where you have Microsoft Word, just like we have in the instruction, and it will bring out. Now what you are seeing here is called the contextual tab. All right, so this is called the contextual tab. So what this will do is you can click on bold, just like the instruction asks us to do. However, if you come here, you can also see the same thing, bold. Okay, bold. All right. So the next instruction says we should italize a powerful tool. So I'm going to italize a powerful tool. I'm going to use this place, AI, italize. Okay. Then it said we should underline for creating professional documents. So we want to underline for creating a professional document. I forgot to include documents. So I'm going to underline documents. Okay. Then it said change the font color of professional. Now, I already taught you how to select. Another way to select professional is to double tap on professional. So I will just double tap on professional. I will change the color. It said I should change the color to blue. I'm going to click on the drop down here and change the color to, oh, since I like red, so I'll change the color to blue. Okay, and that's it. So basically what I have done to this particular text is to format it. However, the exercise mentioned that we should change the style, which we've done, but I also want to change the font type. Change the font type. Now, don't forget we are currently on the home tab here, and under the home tab we have the clipboard, we have the fonts, we have the paragraph, we have the styles, we have the editing. So I want to change the font type. Now I'm going to change the font type for Microsoft Word is an essential tool. So what will I do? I'm going to triple tap on it to select the entire paragraph. 1, 2, 3. All right. Then I'm going to come here. The current font type is Calibri. I love Times New Roman. But for the essence of this class, to make it fun, I'm going to change it to Algeria. Is that Algeria? Okay, good. I'll change it to Algeria. So I have here that Microsoft Word is an essential tool. Okay, so I'm going to leave it as this. So you can just play around it and enjoy yourself. Now, the next instruction here is to create a bulleted list with the following items: word processing features, text formatting options, page layout and design, collaboration and sharing. Okay, so let me quickly do that. I will click on enter to come to the next line. Now, I need to be careful. Now, look at what will happen here. The first thing there it says word. Now, did you notice something? The moment I click word, I have underline underneath. All right, but I don't want that. So I am going to either delete this and come back to and unclick on underline so as to remove the underline. So when I type in my word processing features, you can see that the underline is not there. All right, so the next thing I want to do is to just finish typing everything. So the next thing is to say text sharing. I hope you are following me, guys. Okay, so now the instruction is to create a bulleted list with the following items. So I am done writing the items. The next thing for me to do is to highlight every one of them. So when I'm done highlighting, I come to the paragraph tab or paragraph section under the home tab. If you come to the design tab, you will not see the paragraph section. So you have to be on the home tab to be able to see the paragraph section. All right. So now you have the bullets here. So I will click on these bullets. Yada. Okay. So if you click on this drop down, you can choose from different styles of bullets. Okay. Let me choose this since it has, maybe it's fun or something, right? Okay. I hope you are learning something. Again, if you've not liked this video already, go ahead and like it, okay?